Welcome to Digital Sculptors. We are happy to announce a new version of ImportAlias add-on which is compatible with the newly released Alias 2027.0.1. ImportAlias 2027 is available to all existing customers. Autodesk has made some significant changes to the use of OpenModel API that the add-on is built on. OpenModel requires that Alias 2027 is installed and licensed. The add-on also requires network connection to the Internet. The add-on can be installed as usual. After the add-on is installed, open Preferences and go to the ImportAlias_2027 tab. The following information should be filled in. Product key. For Alias Auto Studio, this value should be 966S1, for Alias Surface should be 736S1. Version. For Alias 2027 install, this should be 2027.0.0F. License type. The following values are valid. For user subscription, this should be user. For network license, this should be NW. For standalone, this should be SA, and for multi-user standalone, this should be MSSA. License path. Please select the file named license in the bin directory of Alias install location. Please contact Autodesk Alias support if you are not sure about these values. Once all the information is filled in, please save your preferences. You can now import wire files using File, Import, Alias, which will open up the File Import dialog. As you can see, there is a confirmation box showing that all the information has been filled in. Please be reminded that the translator will fail if the information is not correct. Details of the import function will be displayed in the system console. This version should be installed only if the Alias version is 2027.0.1 or newer. Please uninstall all previous versions of ImportAlias add-on before installing this version. Thank you for watching.